Room! So yo, let me tell you now, if you watch a previous video, I'm telling you Skillibeng drop a bunch of new song. Like 41 song based on what me I research and what me I hear. Him drop on them Kingston drill, or we just do. Now we have drill freestyle. Now, oh wait, before we go further, I want to like, comment and subscribe. Cause we are trying to get this channel to be one of the main channels to dancehall music reactions. You understand me? Giving dancehall artists them credit. You see me? Make them know say yo, hear what? This our we love. And if song a fuckery, I gotta tell you say song a fuckery. You see me? But again, that is my opinion, my point of view. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe. And remember, we are gonna listen to I think we can listen to 41 songs today and do a review. So we are gonna do it in a timely manner. Okay? So let's go. So if you don't know nothing about drill music always start like the beat itself always start off like this. You understand? So whenever you hear a drill, any rhythm you hear and you hear does it, it's always 9 out of 10 times it's a drill song. And you can majority of the time you hear that out New York genre of hip hop rap and the UK drill scene. So yeah, the New York drill scene and the UK drill scene. Them are the prime people or prime persons that use that type of beat.
You wanna know what make them free of me so? Danger me love brain and fi bust be high and I'm pain and green and me gun, yeah. Boy dead, face
Bumbo clot pull up that right now. Not tomorrow, not next week. Right now. Skillibeng. If somebody hurt you, make we know, because this is a different type of Skillibeng.
You wanna know what make them free of me so? Danger me love brain and fi bust be high and I'm pain and green and me gun, yeah. Boy dead, face
Youth!
ground, submachine gun, laser fi skull. Gun play by me nose, corner beat out the place I fi go. Kick off your face and me done. White all know them free of me back.
Yo. We missed that Skillibeng.
Circle the road with the J with the blood clot rifle and wave at me flag on. East side chop off your head, boy, face a fi gone. When me say east side have the most power.
Your dog a genius in the dog. Man a genius in the brother. I think you can understand how smart this man be in a dog.
Range of me top. As me done murder boy and me blaze of me dog. Why me love, tell them check a bake off his half. So
Why me love, tell them to check a bake off his sauce. No, me don't want nobody on the internet instigate nothing and say I talk about Baker, the actual artist. You know, don't instigate nothing. You hear me?
them with the AR, rain of
Man not talking Baker the artist, brother. Man not talking actual Baker. So now I instigate nothing and say the man a try this Baker now.
fall. Them know me cold, could I set a ice chain on me heart.
You tell us you're England, man. Because that's an England police car. Well, it could be also somewhere else in Europe.
You feel me dog, fan town.
It's a right-hand drive, so yeah, definitely Europe. Not Jamaica for sure.
And Spain off the top.
You only get to me a choice, you know? Alright.
East side make late on night, never scared of the dark. Bull bear run out, we run out with the cane and we palm. Brand new machete and the walk off the snake night grass.
Brand new machete and the walk off of the snake in the grass. That it was more of a play on words type of thing, but we understand the magnitude of what I'm trying to say. Right? Okay.
Appear like a so he and the whole place of a ball. Yo dog, later we chat, smarty in farm, and be a Babylon. Yo, crazy shot, clear up his spot. We are
Yo. A man is singing song like it's a movie, dog. Like an actual scene. And that's what people don't understand, you know. If you want to write good quality music, you have to create different scenarios around your music. You understand me? Say if you hear your friend them talk about something, try to put it in it. You see me? But just break it down or better yet summarize it into lyrics. A flow, a rhyme. If you get what I mean. You see me? That's how you create good music. You take the time out for listening environment, bro. Trust me.
that's somebody later for that. All on the mama got lay on the flat. Any baby up the straight on me hug. Bed say them have no neighbor for watch. East side no run, we left straight off run.
East side no run, we left straight off run.
Either you fuck, that's why them afraid that we suck. How to the minicade, then a boy brain off for lunch. Rifle up, that sound like grave I go down.
And by the look of this car, this is a BMW. I can just tell. One of them old BMW that you know. It's about 23, 24. Could be older. But, yeah.
Oreo no sweet like bar cake coffee pop. Scotchy road with my gun every day in my car. Roll with the Glock 19 like say it have license. On a love to.
Yo, Skillibeng boy, dog. I tell you the truth. It surprised me, bro, with them song, brother. Them two videos surprised me, dog. You see me? Them surprised me, dog. Like, I can't even hate upon you, dog. Like, you're tough, bro. You're tough. Flow and melody and everything on point. Believe you in me. Believe you in me, bro. Skillibeng. This is one for the books, brother.
Yeah, show my gun in your face, I pause. Boy, this will program that. Boy, this will program that. Load cartridge.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Portion a shot, black, hot, scope on that, red that. Rain where I open a vault. I'm a praise to the minute for a jam, but a better in praise I heaven job. Ruga take a Philippines spot.
One Skillibeng, bro. Dog, I first met you this song, so I'm actually a listen while I go. You understand? Because I never listened to it before I come. But I before I forward. So me hearing that side of Skillibeng, yeah, well, this was always Skillibeng. But if you know, say you take a drill, I could say genre, a drill genre, and put it into a Jamaican flow. Genius move, bro.
I feel some out here lock. We not chicken.
Like, comment, subscribe. Or don't make me dig a grave phone and like what I'm doing in that video. Yeah.
Oh no, send me wicked. You wanna know what make them free of me so? Danger me love brain of a bus.
Tell me why them afraid of you, so.
Yeah, high and I'm pain and green and me gun, yeah. Boy dead, face pan the ground. Submachine gun, laser of his skull. Gun play by me nose. Can't beat out the place of a gun. Kick off.
Yeah, man, lyrics just thump me in my face, dog. Man, body fuck.
Face of me done. White all know them afraid of me bad man. Circle the road with the J, the blood clot rifle and wave of me flag. East side chop off your head, boy, face of a gun.
One Skillibeng, man. Not two, one.
When me say east side have the most power on a range of me talk. As me done murder boy and me blaze and me dance. Why me love?
As me done murder boy and me blaze and me dance. Now, him can mean two things about that, you know. I think El Chapo and actually Pablo Escobar. And the man they used to kill all people, the man just go party in them suit and them blaze and them something, brother. So him could have used that from them past life there.
Them check a beer coffee sauce. Circle them with the air, rain of the fall. Them know me cool, but I set a ice chain on me heart.
Please comment down below and let me know what you think personally. I mean, I want a man where I hate upon Skillibeng because him don't feel like say him there man cartel a friend, him alkaline a friend. And what We are talking about the music itself, bro. Please.
Feel my dog, fan town as pain of attack.
That was actually the end of the song. However, bro, personally, dog, I just feel like this is what dancehall did need. Or this is what we did need from Skillibeng. From a personal note. From a personal standpoint. I think this was actually what we needed. And honestly, Skillibeng do him thing, yes, brother. Skillibeng, yeah, the G, brother. Like, comment, subscribe. Me get the song a 10 out of 10. Flow, melody, everything, bro, is a 10 out of 10, bro. Big man thing. Now, I have to go listen to the rest of the song then because come like the dog has surprised me with all of them songs, brother. Everything just sound different, brother. So here we are. I'm going to soon now the next one. See?